Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system nursery class. Today we are going to learn how to write K. How to write K. And you have to do this work on your Al Hira English workbook. So this is your Al Hira English workbook. Okay, English reading phonics sheets. Let's read the phonics. Name of the letter A is A, but the sound of the letter is A. Name of the letter B is B, but the sound of the letter is B. Name of the letter C is C, but the sound of the letter is C. Name of the letter D is D, but the sound of the letter is D. Name of the letter E is E, but the sound of the letter is E. Name of the letter F is F, but the sound of the letter is F. Name of the letter G is G, but the sound of the letter is G. Name of the letter H is H, but the sound of the letter is H. Name of the letter I is I, but the sound of the letter is I-E. Name of the letter J is J, but the sound of the letter is J-J. Name of the letter K is K, but the sound of the letter is K-K. Name of the letter L is L, but the sound of the letter is L. Name of the letter M is M, but the sound of the letter is M. Name of the letter N is N, but the sound of the letter is N. Name of the letter O is O, but the sound of the letter is O. Name of the letter P is P, but the sound of the letter is P. Name of the letter Q is Q, but the sound of the letter is Q. Name of the letter R is R, but the sound of the letter is R. Name of the letter S is S, but the sound of the letter is S. Name of the letter T is T, but the sound of the letter is T. Name of the letter U is U, but the sound of the letter is U. Name of the letter V is V, but the sound of the letter is V. Name of the letter W is W, but the sound of the letter is W. Name of the letter X is X, but the sound of the letter is X. Name of the letter Y is Y, but the sound of the letter is Y. Name of the letter Z is Z, but the sound of the letter is Z. Okay, this was the phonics of English reading phonics sheet. Okay, first we learn how to hold a pencil. Put your thumb and your forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Cone-shaped part of the pencil, and let the pencil rest between your thumb and forefinger. And let the pencil rest between your thumb and the forefinger. Then put your middle finger underneath for sport. So this is the right way to hold the pencil. And don't do this. Pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pulled into a fist. These two ways are the wrong ways to hold the pencil. These two ways are the wrong ways to hold the pencil. Okay, now let's learn how to write K. The 4-lined copy paper will help you write each letter evenly and uniformly, and it will also help to distinguish the difference in size of the uppercase and the lowercase letters. This is uppercase K. How to write K? Draw first you have to draw a straight standing line in the 3 lines. Then you have to draw a slanting line from the right side to the left side till the middle line, and then start the next slanting line from the middle line from the left side to the right side. So this is the way to write K. So the name of the letter K is K, but the sound of the letter is K. This is a picture of kangaroo. Now how to write lowercase letter K? Draw a straight standing line in 3 lines. Then draw a slanting line in the middle line from right to left side, and then draw a slanting line from left to right in between the middle lines to write K. So the name of the letter K is K, but the sound of the letter is K. Draw a straight standing line in upper 3 lines. Then draw a slanting line from right side to left side from the first line to the middle line. Then draw an other slanting line from the middle line to third line from the left to right side. So this is the way to write letter K. How to write K? Draw a straight standing line in upper 3 lines. Then draw a slanting line from left to right side which starts from the first line to the middle line, and then draw an other slanting line which starts from the middle line to the third line from the left to right side. So K-ka, key, K-ka, kite, K-ka, kangaroo. Draw a straight standing line in first 3 lines. Then draw a slanting line which starts from the first line till the middle line from right to left side. Then draw an other slanting line which starts from the middle line to the third line from left side to right side. This is the way to write K. Now we have to write lowercase k. Now draw a straight standing line in upper 3 lines and draw a little slanting line which starts from the middle line till the half of the middle line from right to left, and draw an other slanting line where from the first slanting line is ending. Start from the slanting line from the left side to right side to write lowercase k. So this is the right way to write uppercase K and lowercase k. Now trace all the K and do practice of this K. So now you know how to write K. How to write K. Okay, do practice to writing K with the help of your parents, and do this work on your Al-Hira English workbook. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.